Hello students, uh, the chapter is linear equation in two variables, and first we had done the graphical method, second we had done the substitution method, and the third now is elimination method. And you know what is elimination? Eliminate means to remove something, to remove something. So what to remove? You can see there are three set of equations written here. The left one, most left, is x plus y is equal to 5. Second part of that is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Next set is 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0. 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. And the third set says x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 is equal to minus 1, and x minus y upon 3 is equal to 3. See the most left side, that is x plus y is equal to 5. There it is easy equation. Second set says, if we compare with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, the first minus 4 is on the left side, and its second equation 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. Here 2y plus 7 on the right side of the equal. So first we have to make it in proper order, arrange in proper order, and the third most right of your side is x plus 2 plus 2y upon 3 is equal to minus 1. Here it is in first thing is it is in a fraction. So first we have to make them into easy normal equations. So first we will do the first part. The first part, what is elimination method? We have the coefficient of x here 1, the coefficient of y here 1, and c is 5. Here the coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of y is minus 3, and this c is 4. First we have to equalize any one of them. Either x इनके कोएफिशिएंट इक्वल कर लें या y के कोएफिशिएंट को इक्वल कर लें. And how can we that? How can we do that? We can do by multiplying by the desired number. Suppose ये 2x है, ये 3y है, हमें 3y के इक्वल इसे करना है. So we have to multiply by 3 to this equation on the left side and the right side both. So multiply by 3 to equation number 1 and 2 to equation number 1. So x plus y इसको भी 3 से is equal to 5 into y 3, इसको भी 3 5 को भी 3 से. क्यों? क्योंकि जितने से हम लेफ्ट में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे उतने से राइट में करेंगे. अगर हमको न्यूट्रलाइज करना है तो ये 3 और 3 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. अगेन वही इक्वेशन आएगी जो हमारी बेसिक इक्वेशन है. So when we multiply, we should multiply both sides, to the left side also of the equal and to the right side also of the equal. So when we open it, it becomes 3x plus 3y is equal to 15. This becomes the third equation. Now first equation has become third equation. So we have to compare first equation and the second equation. Now if we write the second equation here also, so it is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now compare this third and second equation. What is, we can do that? It is plus 3y, it is minus 3y. If we add these two equations, so जब add करेंगे तो ये sign, opposite sign will have the deduction. So 3y and 3y will be deducted, cancel, eliminated. So this is the elimination. So you can say adding equation 2 with 3. हम जब ऐड करते हैं तो क्या होगा? अगर सेम साइन होता तो हम सबट्रैक्ट करते हैं, पर साइन चेंज होता और फिर भी एलिमिनेट होता. Ultimately we have to eliminate any one, either x or y. So when we do the elimination, so this sentence should be written before that, means add equation 1 and 2. So when we add equation 1 and 2, what will happen? See here, something will happen. Add it. So this will be cancelled. What remain? Same sign, 5x, because 3x plus 2x 5x, and here also we add it, becomes 19. So 5x is equal to 19, x is equal to 19 upon 5. Okay, so now x you can you got this, x is equal to 19.5. अब ये हमें करना है, हमने y x तो निकाल लिया, y निकालने के लिए we have to eliminate x. So how we will eliminate x? हमें अब इसको 2 से करना पड़ेगा. Multiply equation 1 by 2. So how it will be? 2. Similarly, इससे पहले हमने किया वैसे करेंगे. x plus 5 को लेफ्ट साइड में 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, राइट साइड में 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. When we multiply, it becomes 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Yes. अब this is the first, second, third becomes fourth equation. अब ये fourth equation और second equation को कंपेयर करेंगे. Yes. So comparing second and fourth equations. So 2x plus 2y is equal to 10 और ये है 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Yes. So हमें कैसे इसको हम रिमूव कर सकते हैं, एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं? अगर इसको हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो we will change the signs. क्योंकि सब्ट्रैक्शन में साइन चेंज होते हैं. It will be eliminated, and what here, this plus 2y, it becomes plus 3y, so it is 5y is equal to 10 minus 4 because sign change हो गया, it is 6. 5y is equal to 6. How much it is? 5y is equal to, you can see 5y is equal to 6. So when 5y is equal to 6, so what we will do? We will say y is equal to 6 upon 5. What we got? x. हमें x मिला था 19 upon 5 and we got y is equal to 6 upon 5. So this way we got the answer of, we got the solution of x and y. This is two equation. X is equal to 19 upon 5 and y is equal to 6 upon 5. Now we have the second equation और यहाँ क्या करना है? I will tell you because space is less here. So first equation you make 3x minus 5y, take the c to the right side, becomes 4. And here you take 2y here, so 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. This was the first equation, this was second equation. From first you made the third equation, from second you made fourth equation. Now you have to compare the two equations. ये है 3x minus 5y, 9x minus 2y. So if you multiply it by 3, the third equation, so it will become 9x, and then 9x और ये 9x आप इसको एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट टाइम जब ये देखिए ये 5y है और ये 2y है, तो हम कैसे करेंगे? अगर हमको y एलिमिनेट करना है तो we can multiply this equation by 2, it will become 10, और this equation by 5. इसको हम 5 से करेंगे तो ये बन जाएगा 10. सो वो स्टेप करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 3 by 2 10 करने के लिए. सो व्हाट बिकम्स? इट बिकम्स 6x minus 10y is equal to 8 and multiply equation 4 by 5. 5 से करेंगे क्या हो जाएगा? 45x minus 10y is equal to 7. So ये इक्वेशन क्या बन जाएगी? 1 2 3 4. This will become इक्वेशन 5 एंड इक्वेशन 6. अब आपको इक्वेशन 5 और इक्वेशन 6 को लेकर के चलेंगे. सो यू कैन एलिमिनेट 10y ऑफ 10y सब्ट्रैक्शन से, तो आपको मिलेगी वैल्यू x की. हाउ यू विल गेट सब्ट्रैक्टिंग इक्वेशन 5 फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 6. 6 में से निकालना है तो पहले 45x minus 10y ऊपर रहेगा, जिसमें से निकालना है वो ऊपर रहेगा, जिसको निकालना है वो नीचे रहेगा. 6x minus 10y is equal to 8. आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे, ये एलिमिनेट हो गया. इट बिकम्स 39x is equal to How much? -1. Yes. Sorry, ये 5 7 जा 35 होगा. I got the mistakes. 35 minus 8. So 35 minus 8 becomes 28. Yes, 27. Sorry, 27. 35 minus 8 is equal to 27. So x is equal to 27.39. You got it? 45x minus 10y is equal to 5 times 35. And here we multiply 2. So 6x minus 10y is equal to 8. हमने इसको सॉल्व किया, दोनों कंपेयर करें, and we got 29x equal to 27, x equal to 27/39. So x we got from here. ऐसे ही मैंने बताया था, we multiply by 3 here, it becomes 9, 15 and 12. So then you can compare and you can eliminate 9x and you get the value of y. So this way we can do. In the next video I will tell you how to solve the third equation. But you know, in the third equation what happens? Actually there also you have to take the LCM and make the equation normal, and then you can find the answer. Thank you.